Hi everyone, in this video I am going to upload a factory firmware of ESP32-S3-BOX-3. So visit the official website of Espressif and scroll down and click on user guide. After clicking the user guide, you can directly redirect the Espressif GitHub repository page. So scroll down and find the built-in factory firmware option. This is our S3 box version, and now click on built-in factory firmware. After clicking factory firmware, now click on ESP Launchpad. In ESP Launchpad, connect the ESP32-S3 box, select the COM port and connect, and select the application. I am uploading the factory firmware of ESP32-S3 box, so click on and now click on flash button. It will take some time, so wait for a couple of minutes. You can see that in console factory firmware is uploading. After uploading the firmware, click on the reset button in S3 box. So in the next video I will show you the complete demonstration of S3 box. So that's all for today's. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe.